What's up guys, in this video I'll be answering the question, is Google Play Store on the Samsung Smart TV? Now in case you do not know, this is actually part of our question and answer session. So if you have any question about any smart TV generally, you can just drop it on the comment section and I am going to answer you directly. And if it is a question that a lot of people are asking, I'm going to make a video about it just like this one over here. Now let's quickly dive into today's video. Is Google Play Store on the Samsung Smart TV? Now what you have to note is that Samsung Smart TVs actually come with their own specific operating system, which is known as the Tizen operating system. And what that will mean is that it has its own app store that is not the Google Play Store. So you can go over to its app store and download any app you want to download, but obviously you're not going to be getting all of the apps that are on the Google Play Store. But you can actually get popular apps like Netflix that are also on the Google Play Store, and you can also find them as well on the Samsung Tizen operating system app store as well. Basically what you just want to do is to go ahead and open up the app store, and then from there you're going to see all of the apps on the Samsung Smart TV. Whether you're using the older model or the newer model, once you open it, you're going to get all of the apps available on the Samsung Tizen operating system app store, and then download them into your TV. So to directly answer the question, no, the Google Play Store is not on the Samsung Smart TV. However, there is a solution, which is to basically use TV sticks and TV boxes. For instance, this is actually the Google Chromecast by Google itself, and it actually gives you the Google TV for you to be able to install Android apps. And then there is also the Xiaomi TV Stick is also an Android TV stick. There is the Fire TV Stick as well is also a very interesting one. I have all of these on the studio, but basically what you're doing is connecting an external device that runs on Android to your TV, and then using that particular device to access the Google Play Store. And I hope this answers your questions, guys. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.